Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into a product that many of us might not think about until we need it: eye drops. But not just any eye drops, we're talking about Refresh Optive Gel Drops Lubricant Eye Gel. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me paint a scenario for you. You're sitting at your computer, working away, when suddenly you feel that familiar dryness and irritation creeping into your eyes. It's uncomfortable, distracting, and frankly, it's not something you want to deal with, especially when you're trying to be productive. That's where Refresh Optive Gel Drops come in. Unlike traditional eye drops that may provide temporary relief, these gel drops offer extended therapy for dry, irritated eyes. They're specially formulated to provide hydration and protection, whether it's day or night. Let's talk about what sets Refresh Optive Gel Drops apart. First off, they're designed to feel like a drop but work like a gel, providing lasting comfort. Thanks to hydrocell technology, these drops help maintain the volume of cells on the eye's surface, keeping your eyes hydrated and refreshed. But what does all of this mean for you? Well, it means relief from symptoms like burning, irritation, and discomfort caused by dryness or environmental factors like wind or sun exposure. Plus, these gel drops are doctor-recommended with over 30 years of experience backing them up. So, whether you're battling dryness from staring at screens all day or you just need some relief from environmental irritants, give Refresh Optive Gel Drops a try. Your eyes will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay refreshed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. And be sure to follow us on social media for the latest updates. Until next time, take care.